Do you know many people are having trouble with the no signal display on their Furrion Vision S reversing camera? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check power. Ensure both the monitor and camera are powered on and all cables are securely connected. Step 2. Verify pairing. Verify the monitor is paired with the camera by accessing the setup menu and following the pairing instructions. Step 3. Adjust antenna. Position the camera's antenna upright and securely to improve signal strength. Step 4. Inspect hardware. Inspect for any visible damage or obstructions on the camera lens and monitor screen. Step 5. Reset monitor. Perform a soft reset by unplugging the monitor, waiting a few minutes and reconnecting it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the no signal issue on your monitor. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Furrion users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.